My name is Dragon Redbeard, and this is Speed Train Total Body. Why do one muscle group when you can do them all?
Let's get started.
Well, you better be a sweaty mess after that one, because I couldn't open my eye for the last series, because so much in there. Please like, comment, or share if you want to continue to see me on this journey, or if you need some help and motivation, I will be here. Scheduled rest day, it's actually a mobility and recovery something or other, so we'll do that tomorrow.